I'm sorry about this. 5:11, headed to work. Hell yeah! I am so cold. If I pulled my shoe off, my toes would come off with my shoe from the frostbite.
It was real dangerous, so I said, "Get back, ho." Get it? Because this machine is a backhoe. Hello, I will now be attempting the world's shortest coma, taking a nap. And I will be taking a time lapse of that nap. Look at those bags under my eyes. I wanted to talk over this clip because I didn't just nap. I actually took a 5-hour till the sun went down, full on coma.
Alright, where's the whip? Oh, there it is. That guy was a really good actor. He was always on cue. Oh shit. Next time, just let me through. I made it to the promised land. I hate to say it. I hope it don't sound ridiculous. I hit another red light. A real life car vending machine. Like just buying something out of a vending machine, but it's cars though, dude. Oh no, dude. Oh, this is Boom, caught it.
Fuck, you fucking didn't get it, dumbass.
Now you gotta throw a high.
High?
Like right here.